5-minute car detailing for us Indians. Welcome back to Channel Name. We're thrilled to have you here today. If you're like most of us, you love your car but don't always have the time for a full detailing session. That's why we're bringing you this quick and efficient guide. Today we're gonna make your car shine like it's brand new, all in 5 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. In just 5 minutes you can transform your car's appearance and make it look like it just rolled out of the showroom. Whether you're driving in Mumbai, Delhi, or Bangalore, get ready for that showroom shine right from your home. No matter where you are in India, this method works perfectly to give your car that extra sparkle. This is a quick cleanup for when you're busy but still want your car to look awesome. We know life can get hectic, but that doesn't mean your car has to suffer. With our tips, you can keep it looking pristine without spending hours. We're using simple stuff you can find easily here in India. Let's do this. From basic cleaning supplies to a few specialized products, everything we use is readily available and affordable. This AI-made plan is all about getting things done fast. We've broken down the process into easy steps that anyone can follow. So grab your supplies, and let's get started on making your car look its best in no time. First up, let's give your car a good bath. A clean car not only looks great but also helps maintain its value and longevity. Regular washing removes dirt, grime, and harmful contaminants that can damage the paint and finish over time. Get a bucket and fill it with cool water. It's important to use cool water because hot water can strip away the protective wax on your car's surface. Add some good car wash soap. Don't use dish soap, it's not good for your car's paint. Car wash soap is specially formulated to be gentle on your car's finish while effectively removing dirt and grime. Use a microfiber wash mitt so you don't scratch the paint. Microfiber mitts are designed to lift dirt away from the surface, reducing the risk of scratches and swirl marks. Start from the top and work your way down. This way, the dirty water flows downward, preventing you from recontaminating areas you've already cleaned. Don't forget the wheels and tires. They collect a lot of brake dust and road grime, which can be tough to remove if left for too long. Use a different brush for them. A dedicated wheel brush will help you get into all the nooks and crannies without damaging the wheels. Now rinse the whole car really well with clean water. Make sure to remove all the soap to avoid any residue that can dull the paint. Pro tip: wash your car in the shade so you don't get water spots. Direct sunlight can cause the water to evaporate too quickly, leaving behind unsightly spots. Okay, the car is clean. Now it's time for some magic. We've washed and dried the car, but there's still more to do. The next step is crucial for achieving that perfect finish. We're using detailing clay to pick up any dirt that's stuck on the paint. This clay is specially formulated to lift contaminants that regular washing can't remove. Spray some clay lubricant or soapy water on the car's surface. This helps the clay glide smoothly and prevents any scratches. Squish the clay bar until it's soft, then gently rub it on the paint. Make sure to knead the clay well so it can mold to the surface of the car. No need to press hard, let the clay do its thing. The clay will naturally pick up all the embedded particles. You'll feel the clay grabbing all the rough stuff. This means it's working, pulling out all the grime and leaving the surface smooth. Once you're done, rinse the car again to remove any leftover clay. Make sure to thoroughly wash off all the residue to avoid any streaks. Your car's paint will feel smooth like butter. This step ensures that the surface is perfectly prepped for polishing or waxing. Time to make that paint shine. We're gonna polish it. You can use a machine or do it by hand. Choose the right pad and polish. Put a little bit of polish on the pad and rub it on the paint in circles. Do one section at a time and check how it looks. You'll see the paint getting shiny and perfect. Polishing takes a bit of time, but it's worth it. Your car's paint is looking amazing. Now let's protect it with wax or sealant. Wax makes it super shiny, while sealant protects it from dirt and sun. Put a thin layer on, using a foam pad or a microfiber cloth. Do small sections at a time and follow the instructions on the bottle. This is the final touch that makes your car look awesome. We did the outside, now let's clean the inside. A clean car is a happy car. First, vacuum the carpets and seats really well. Wipe down the dashboard, steering wheel, and everything else with an all-purpose cleaner. Don't forget the air vents, they get dusty. Use leather cleaner for leather seats and fabric cleaner for fabric seats. Try the cleaners on a hidden spot first to make sure they don't damage anything. Finally, clean the windows with glass cleaner and a microfiber cloth. And that's it. Your car is clean and shiny all in 5 minutes. This quick cleanup is perfect for when you're short on time but still want your car to look great. Remember, even a little bit of care every now and then makes a big difference. If you enjoyed this video, check out my other videos for more car care tips and tricks. Like, share, and subscribe to channel name for more awesome car stuff. See you in the next video.